made it possible to make significant leaps in productivity and explore more and better design alternatives, and it's raised the bar for everyone. So why doesn't everyone use BIM? And where does that leave CAD users? While offering many benefits, moving to BIM can be highly disruptive. Organizations and project teams often end up straddling the chasm between CAD and BIM, supporting multiple software platforms, workflows, employee skill sets, training, and data formats. This is where MicroStation can make a difference. It allows you to incrementally adopt BIM workflows that are most appropriate for you and your projects at your own pace, increasing your productivity while minimizing disruptions. Here are just a few of the unique capabilities that can deliver real value. To identify and produce the best performing design options, you need software that enables you to rapidly explore many design alternatives and then easily progress from design intent to completed models. MicroStation provides more than just powerful parametric solid surface and mesh modeling. It provides modeling workflows that are well integrated, with the flexibility to capture your design intent and easily shape and refine your designs. As a result, you can produce designs faster with the confidence that the critical design parameters remain intact. MicroStation also enables you to create intelligent parametric components that can include multiple predefined variants, along with their 2D and 3D representations, their BIM information, and associated documents. These more flexible components allow you to reduce the overall number of components in your library, making it easier to find, manage, and share them locally or through integrated cloud services. Rather than starting from a blank canvas, you can incorporate any existing imagery or geospatial data to provide precise context for your projects. MicroStation improves your ability to communicate your design intent and evaluate designs in the context of real-world conditions. You can precisely integrate any raster imagery, point cloud data, geospatial information, or innovative engineering precision photo-textured reality meshes produced from ordinary photographs. Then, automatically snap everything into its precise location. Every project involves many people, and while individual design productivity has increased over the years, project-wide productivity has stalled on infrastructure projects. MicroStation was built with project team collaboration in mind, providing flexible and powerful referencing capabilities, integrated cloud services for sharing files and standards, and deliverables management, as well as built-in integration with our world-leading ProjectWise work sharing and collaboration software. While BIM has revolutionized the production of deliverables, the tools and workflows for CAD software users have stayed largely the same. MicroStation is built on the same common platform as Bentley's other BIM applications and has significantly advanced the workflows for accelerating deliverables production. MicroStation bridges the gap in your modeling and drawing production workflows by creating automatically synchronized documentation that's embedded within the context of the model. MicroStation uniquely provides the ability to leverage embedded properties and BIM information to accelerate and simplify the creation of reports, annotation, and sheet layout, as well as sheet indexing and the control of element display. On each project, you work with and for organizations and individuals who have different preferred design applications. Every application has its own format, which makes lossless sharing of information difficult. A hallmark of MicroStation is its robust support for interoperability, including both precise geometry and all BIM and geospatial information. As an example, Bentley has licensed the real DWG libraries directly from Autodesk, so you can reliably use and produce DWG files, including support for versions all the way back to 1997. You can minimize project risk and reduce time performing error-prone translations or recreating existing data by using and producing a comprehensive range of data types and file formats, all with no translations required. MicroStation is more than CAD software. It's a design modeling application that offers you a path to advance into BIM workflows at your own pace. It offers embedded offline and real-time visualization capabilities, visual analysis tools, standards checking tools, and integrated project-wide issue resolution cloud services. It helps you benefit from BIM-enabled workflows, speed design tasks, work more effectively and confidently with others, all while putting the power of the cloud at your fingertips. But no matter how powerful an application is, it's useless unless you know how to use it. MicroStation is built to help you get the most out of this deep and powerful application by speeding proficiency and mastery through a comprehensive library of integrated learning content. It even recommends new tools and workflows based on your unique use of the application. Make a leap forward in productivity and bridge the gap in CAD and BIM workflows by working smarter with MicroStation.
Most construction projects bring together a new team, all operating within their own systems, elaborating on design data, but never sharing knowledge. This fragmentation has led to construction waste through redundant design work. idle workers, and rework. By reducing this fragmentation through seamless collaboration, multiple project stakeholders can realize significant savings in time and money. Design for Fabrication from Dassault Systèmes uses the power of the 3D Experience platform to create a single source of truth in a truly collaborative environment for multidisciplinary stakeholders. You can integrate multiple CAD and BIM formats and data sources using the Dassault Systèmes AEC data model. The savings start with holistic urban design. When a planner starts to evaluate the environmental impact of a construction site. Using geolocation, a civil engineer can accurately position normal range and large range scale scan data and existing condition models for the planned site. Users can model the desired site terrain, confirm the evacuation volume required, and remove it from the model terrain mesh to create the final excavated terrain. Using the Civil Engineering Catalog, the civil engineer creates a set of axis systems to define the pier positions. A smart pier assembly is instantiated on each set of axis systems. The engineer can quickly create alternatives, replace the template, and make Plan B. These design changes can be shown using Business Intelligent Essential based on color difference. Once the building designer and planners gather requirements, they can iterate concepts and make multiple proposals for owners. The user can evaluate requirements through mass modeling and articulate an initial estimated cost. User-friendly interfaces, a parametric approach, and associative and computational modeling methods increase productivity and optimize project value. Facade designers and engineers can simulate any building envelope from the conceptual level down to shop drawings. Leveraging template-based design, designers and engineers achieve overall project control. They can reduce waste and rework by extending models into fabrication, manufacturing, and assembly. Structural designers can model, simulate, and analyze any structural element from a wide range of project types. And by leveraging template-based design and computational modeling, structural designers increase productivity and optimize project performance and value. System engineers plan, model, and simulate any system element for any scale of project, from a single occupant dwelling to a campus or city infrastructure. Engineers can design and simulate modular systems to reduce field clashes and shorten the schedule. With Dassault Systèmes Design for Fabrication, construction projects can now seamlessly blend data from the design phase to shop drawings or eliminate drawings altogether. Through an industrialized construction process, design models become the basis for fabrication. This shared model can significantly reduce the waste and rework found in the traditional process and yield big rewards for project owners and stakeholders.
We say that the nature of planing has changed. It used to be a document set in the back shelves at City Hall. But now all of our plans and documents live and breathe on the internet, and planning documents have to change. They have to be more consumable to everybody. Plans need to be rich in illustrations and photographs that convey what a community wants to achieve. I'm Devin Levine. I'm a principal and co-founder of Housey Levine Associates. We are an urban planning and design firm based in Chicago. I started using SketchUp back in 2004, and it's been an integral part of our workflow ever since. We've probably taken on every firm in the country, big or small. A lot of times we beat out the big architecture firms in the United States, and a big part of it is the look and feel of our documents and the graphics, and SketchUp has played a big part in that. A lot of firms still produce plan documents that are hundreds of pages with a couple of photographs, a couple crummy maps. A document that's rich in graphics, you can be a lot more concise. I think a real good example of our approach to that in action is we did the master plan for the city of Flint. As part of this plan, we call them place types. And so things like a green neighborhood where you have agriculture mixed with residential, mixed with parks and schools. You could have probably written about 6 or 7 pages of that in the Imagine Flint master plan. It's 2 pages. It's one big SketchUp illustration and a couple of paragraphs that talk about what's going on in the scene. We watch people pick up a plan and they flip for the maps. They flip and look at the graphics. One of the things we've heard from people that sort of ask us what's our template like, how do we start? And the reality is we start everything from scratch. There's no template, there's no standard colors. Every day is different, every project is different. While maybe a workflow is standard, the output, there's no standards here. It has to be good. It's probably the only standard we have.
Allplan Architecture kombiniert die stärksten Werkzeuge für intuitives Entwerfen, sicheres Planen und reibungslose Kommunikation. Entwerfen und Konstruieren werden eins. Dank parametrischer Gebäudemodellierung und den in Allplan einzigartigen Smart Parts. Mit der neuen Objektpalette wird die Arbeit am intelligenten Gebäudemodell einfach wie nie zuvor. Durch den Parasolid-Modellierkern erhalten Sie völlig neue Freiheiten und unbegrenzte Formenvielfalt für intuitives Entwerfen und Konstruieren. Erstellen Sie professionelle Bilder in kürzester Zeit mit den leistungsstarken, in Allplan Architecture integrierten Visualisierungstools. Verschiedene Planarten und Zeichnungstypen werden aus dem 3D-Modell generiert. Für belastbare Kalkulationen ermitteln Sie auch Mengen direkt aus dem 3D-Modell. Schnittstellen zu modernsten Werkzeugen der BIM-Projektkommunikation erleichtern zudem die Arbeit mit allen Projektbeteiligten. Bringen Sie sich in Position für die Projekte von morgen.
Corel CAD 2014, affordable and powerful CAD software. Corel CAD 2014 is the smart choice for affordable, high-level CAD performance. Be productive immediately with industry-standard CAD features. With Corel CAD, you can work with the native CAD solution. Open, edit, and save files in the popular DWG format for worry-free collaboration with colleagues, suppliers, and customers. Get up to speed quickly with industry-standard tools and the familiar command bar, menu, and toolbar items. Streamline your workflow with dockable toolbars, right-click shortcut menus, properties palette, and a familiar Windows ribbon UI. Draft in 2D and design in 3D. Accelerate drafting and construction using Corel CAD smart tools, such as on-screen snap and dynamic guides. Utilize the new design resources to access and repurpose standard design assets. Master advanced modeling. Create 3D primitives including boxes, spheres, or cylinders. Extrude or revolve 2D entities. Sweep them along a path or loft between them to create solid objects. Enhance collaboration for a smoother workflow. Share ideas and designs more easily with colleagues, suppliers, and customers. Corel CAD supports leading file formats including PDF, SVG, ASYS SAT, DWF, DXF, and more. Enjoy a seamless experience with 64-bit application power and the most recent OS support, including Windows 8.1 and Mac OS 10.8. Gain additional design strength with support for Corel Draw and Corel Designer direct file import and export for a smooth documentation workflow from sketching to technical design to presentation. Work faster with customizable features. Create your own functions, routines, and plugins. Utilize a fully customizable UI and automation support, including Lisp and Microsoft Visual Studio tools for applications. Adapt your working environment with a hybrid application that can be used in a variety of ways. One license can be used on both a user's desktop and laptop. Enhance the power of Corel CAD. Visit the plugin store for third-party enhancements to help you automate tasks and add new capabilities.